balance query in Clinic Server is used to show how much a client or an insurance company owes. To access the balance query, do the following. Go to the Management tab and select Balance. With the balance query, you can filter for the following. The minimum balance will show you the minimum balance that you would like to see. You can choose a location or all locations from the drop-down. The effective date is your latest charge date. The type can be filtered by clients, insurance companies, or both. You can choose to include outstanding charges that have been invoiced, those that were uninvoiced, or both. If the Billed By feature is enabled, you can filter by the responsibility of clinic, head office, or both. If the Show Funding Stream feature is enabled, you can search by all funding streams or any combination of funding streams. When you have run the query, you will see many different columns. The F column displays the funding stream. The Province column will display the province where the outstanding balance is. The account will show the client's name if the outstanding amount is associated with that client. It will show the insurance company's name if the balance is associated with that insurance company. If there is an adjuster on file, their name will be displayed in the adjuster column. If it is a private outstanding amount, the patient's phone number will be displayed in the phone column. If the outstanding amount is associated with an insurance company, it will be the insurance company's number. The client will be the client's name who is associated with the outstanding amount. The client address will be populated with their address. The balance column shows you the sum of the balances for that patient or insurance company based on the search criteria that has been applied. The current column shows the outstanding amount within 0 to 29 days of the effective date. 30 to 59 shows the outstanding amount within 30 to 59 days of the effective date. 60 to 89 shows the outstanding amount within 60 to 89 days of the effective date. 90 to 119 shows the outstanding amount within 90 to 119 days. And 120 plus shows the outstanding for 120 days and over of the effective date. To use the quick keys, you can select any client. You can use the quick keys to print preview, view the client folder, or go to open pair accounts. You will have the same options if you right-click one of the clients, along with two additional options. If you select View Balance Details, this will open a summary of the outstanding balance. You should see the client's information, any applicable insurance company information, the date it was charged, the date it was provided, what was charged, who the service was provided by, and the amounts that are due. If you select one of these outstanding amounts, right-click, you will have an option to view AR details. This window outlines the details of the outstanding amounts, including any cancellations and partial payments. In this window, you will see the posted date. This is the date that the charge or transfer was recorded in Clinic Server. The provided date, which is the date that the charge was provided, who the charge was posted by, what was charged, the status of the charge, transfer, or payment, the type. For the charge line, you will see a gross amount and a net amount. The gross is the full amount of the charge or transfer. The net amount is the outstanding balance on that charge. Another option available to us, if you right-click a client, is a Notice of Outstanding Account. This will open a window that allows you to create a customizable letter to the patient about collecting their outstanding account. You will also have the option to look at the invoice. If you are in View Balance Details, You can select a line that was invoiced. You should see the invoice number and the invoice date. If you select this option, this window allows you to print or print preview the invoice, and it will only be available if the transfer has already been invoiced.